In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a header in LibreOffice Writer quickly and easily, even if you've never used this feature before. Adding a header is a great way to make your document look more professional, especially if you want to include a title, page name, date, or any repeating information at the top of every page. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. Now let's jump right in. First, open LibreOffice on your computer. Once it launches, you can either create a brand new Writer document from the left side under Create, or you can open an existing document that you want to add the header to. If you're starting from scratch, just click Writer document and you'll be ready to go. If you already have a file open, that works too. Next, look at the top of the screen and click Insert in the main menu. This is where LibreOffice keeps options for adding different elements to your document, such as images, tables, headers, footers, footers, and more. After that, move down and click Header and Footer. A submenu will appear, and from there, you want to click Header, then choose Default Page Style. This tells LibreOffice to add a header to the standard page layout in your document. Once you click that, you'll notice a new empty space appears at the top of the page. That is your header area. Now click inside the header area at the top of the page. This will place your cursor there so you can start typing. Go ahead and type the header text you want to appear on your document, such as your document title, your name, a class name, or any other information you want repeated on each page. The best part is that once the header is added, it will automatically appear on all pages in the document, so you do not need to copy and paste it page by page. If you want, you can also format the header text just like normal text. You can make it bold, change the font, adjust the size, or align it to the left, center, or right depending on how you want it to look. That gives you a lot of flexibility for making your document look clean and organized. And that's really all there is to it. You've now learned how to add a header in LibreOffice Writer in just a few simple steps. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you do not miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.